If you're here, you found the Holy Grail of the AI world, prompt engineering. It's like discovering a hidden cheat code in the game of digital entrepreneurship, the 2023 equivalent of having the Midas touch. Packed in a few cleverly cooked up lines, you can conjure digital gold. Value worth millions. No smoke and mirrors, just solid truths. You, my friend, need a little less than a quarter hour of your time. We'll embark on a joyride, a treasure hunt. And guess what? You don't need to be the next Bill Gates. So, buckle up. Imagine the AI is your loyal genie. You rub the lamp. The prompt. It obeys, it performs a task. That's prompt engineering in layman's terms. The task could be as simple as find me the capital of France, or as elaborate as pinning down a Shakespearean sonnet about your cat. The more you refine your prompts, the more likely you are to avoid a garbage in, garbage out scenario. Let's delve into the OpenAI playground to see what I'm talking about. The playground is your sandbox, your testing ground to tinker with all the toys OpenAI has to offer. It's raw, it's real. If you want to build a business on top of these models, you better start getting your hands dirty in the playground, because that's the only toy OpenAI lets you take home. In the playground, you can go from sorting a random list of names to stripping personal information from emails. Small tasks, big impact. And yes, you can take it and replicate it on a larger scale, like an assembly line producing value nuggets. You have control over a bunch of dials and knobs on the playground. You can switch between different AI models, like choosing a top-tier steak for a barbecue or opting for tofu for a vegan salad. Adjust the temperature to control the randomness. Like if you're crafting a mystery story, you might want more twists, right? Keep in mind you can't go beyond 4,000 tokens, so plan accordingly. Also, a quick tip, you can assign roles to the AI like a doctor or a lawyer. And now let's talk about the 3 shots. 0, 1, and few shot prompting. 0 shot prompting is like throwing the AI into an ocean and telling it to swim. It's free, it's autonomous. A question or phrase is all it needs. Next up, 1 shot prompting. Here you're more like a teacher providing the AI with an example to follow. Think of it as teaching a kid how to tie their shoelaces by demonstrating once. Lastly, few shot prompting. Picture this, you're training a puppy, you show it several times how to fetch a ball. Similarly, you provide the AI with multiple examples to base its response on. Let's talk about the big elephant in the room. What's in it for you? What's the potential of prompt engineering in your wallet? Industry leaders like Dr. Alan D. Thompson predict a golden period of 1-2 years for prompt engineering, after which AI might start writing its own prompts. So while the sun shines, let's make some hay. The first way is, you could become a prompt engineer given the skyrocketing demand for AI skills. It's like setting up a lemonade stand in the middle of a desert. Second, you could turn into an AI tutor. Big companies are always on the lookout for ways to improve productivity. If you could teach their employees how to use AI tools like prompt engineering, you're in for a lucrative deal. Then there's an opportunity to create your own AI assistant. Look at someone like OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman. He created his AI companion leader. Imagine you could build an AI assistant tailored to your preferences. The possibilities are limitless. Also, remember when I told you about few-shot prompting? Imagine using that to write a song. You could give the AI a topic, a few sample lyrics from your favorite artist, and voila, you have a song. Now that's something you could monetize. Essentially, prompt engineering is like having a digital magic, ready to conjure up whatever you need with the right commands. So, dive into it, have fun, make mistakes, learn, and above all, keep exploring the boundless potential of this AI one. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm brewing up some exciting content. My next video, it's a journey where we take these AI tools to the market and see if we can fill up our piggy banks. You don't want to miss that. So keep those prompts coming, folks. Comment below if you have any queries or thoughts. We're a community here, ready to help each other out. That's it for today. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.